Here I have Samsung Galaxy A13, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the front camera, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you have save selfies as previewed. And you can take one picture with this feature enabled, another one with this feature disabled, and see the difference. As you can see, these photos are mirrored. Unbelievable. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.